Dimensions are annotation elements and are view specific. That is, they are only visible in one view as opposed to model elements, which are visible in all views. On the Annotate tab, select the Align Dimension tool. On the Options bar, the placement settings specify which part of the walls you want to dimension from and to, in this case, wall faces. When the cursor is moved over a wall face, it is highlighted and you click to select it. When another parallel wall face is selected, the dimension string displays. Then, the third click places the dimension string. The lock icon that displays near the dimension string can be clicked to establish a constraint between the dimensioned objects. Next, the position of the grid lines will be established. With the Align Dimension tool still active, change the pick option on the Options bar to Entire Walls. Then click Options to set the elements in the wall we want to dimension. In this case, we want the intersecting grids. With Entire Walls set as the option, you only need to select the wall and the elements in the options are automatically dimensioned. Dimension strings from other walls will snap into position. Next, using the Entire Wall setting, select Openings and the center points. Now, when the wall is selected, the center points of the openings in the wall will be added as dimension points. Continue to add dimension strings on the views of the model to document for construction.